I tried TokenPocket wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I installed the TokenPocket wallet app, I expected another multi-chain wallet with basic features. But after 7 days, the shocking truth is that TokenPocket is far more powerful than I thought. It's an entire DeFi toolkit disguised as a simple wallet. On day 1, setup was fast and intuitive. I created a wallet in seconds and was greeted by a clean interface supporting dozens of blockchains: Ethereum, Chain, Polygon, and even Bitcoin. That's when I realized TokenPocket's biggest strength: true multi-chain flexibility without the lag or confusion that other wallets have. By day 2, I started using its app browser. It felt like it with App Store. I could access decentralized exchanges, NIFT platforms, and staking pools directly inside the wallet. No need for third-party connections or extensions. Midweek, I tested token swaps. Transactions were fast, fees were transparent, and the built-in exchange gave me real-time rates. Most people get this wrong. They assume convenience means less security, but TokenPocket gives you full control of your private keys while keeping everything seamless. By day 5, I experimented with cross-chain transfers. Moving assets between blockchains was surprisingly simple. TokenPocket automatically detected compatible bridges and handled the process securely. It's one of the few wallets that make multi-chain DeFi feel effortless. After 7 days, the shocking truth became clear: TokenPocket isn't just a wallet, it's an all-in-one way command center. Whether you're managing crypto, exploring dApps, or earning through staking, it gives you the power to do it all from one place. If you want a wallet that combines accessibility with serious functionality, TokenPocket might surprise you. It's not just a tool, it's a gateway to everything B has to offer.